So what I did was I took a Corvette remote control car at Walmart, probably 30 bucks. First I cut the body off and play with it. And my daughter got all nasty sticky. My son wanted his toy, my little 2-year-old, so Tonka truck to be remote control too, which it wasn't. I use these for spacers so I can lift it up. And what's cool about the Tonka truck, so it's pretty cool. Another thing that's cool about it is this. It has a Tonka truck remote control. Guaranteed you this truck is at least like $150 to buy it. Works perfect, turns. We put stuff on it, it moves it perfectly, and it cruises. That's the Tonka truck, guys. The rims are sick on it.